Hey everybody, good afternoon. Scott Fortunat, president of the Jaftex Companies. Thanksgiving's coming up, and I wanted to make you something special that we make for Thanksgiving, and that's pizza. I mean, don't you eat pizza on Thanksgiving? I have turkey to make it really extra special and really very Thanksgiving-y. So I get this dough. In our old town where we used to live, when we lived in New York, there was a place when COVID happened that they started selling pizza kits, and we were turned on to it by one of our friends, and probably one of the best things that happened to Brady 5G, because he loves pizza. My assistant Charlie is over here. He's not so happy because it's raining out. Charlie, say hi to everyone on the camera. So what I'm gonna do here, this is enough dough for 2 pizzas. I'm gonna cut this in half. This is my own way. If you could cook better than me, fine, I totally get that. But I can't quilt. I could cook a little, the food tastes good. I might not be following the rule book, but it's good nonetheless. So now, I'm just gonna roll this out. This is a part that you should just do a little. Oh yeah, I need to put the oven on to 350, 375. Let's do it that way. Let's put it at 375. So we preheat. Charlie, is that okay?
Yes, Master Scott.
I like to get this as flat as possible on the tray. Then it's super thin and the crust gets nice and crispy, just how Brady 5G likes it. By the way, I found good use of my Bob Ross fabric apron. This is with the Bob Ross fabric line. So stylish. If you have a trick to do this more easily, I'd love to know it.
I definitely don't.
Not you, any of the people watching.
Dad making a video?
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
You see it? Say hi to everyone. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And what are we making you? I got pizza. We're gonna put turkey on it.
No.
You don't like turkey on your pizza?
No.
It's Thanksgiving pizza.
No. Stop.
Brady.
Stop.
That's what. Don't mess with mine.
I'm not. There are holes everywhere.
Okay, that's okay. It fills up.
See this? Holes. Holes. Holes.
So now we got the vodka sauce. Again, this is the
Best sauce ever.
Yeah, don't tell anyone. Shh. So now we do the good stuff, the cheese. As I like to call it, the fat man's candy.
Guys, take a guess what.
Well, are you taking over the show here? What's going on? Well, what are you, cheese?
True or false? Do I like cheese?
No, you don't. You only like it on your pizza, which is so weird.
Something smells like it's burning.
The panic attack. Something smells like it's burning. Ah, not my pizza. Come on, look at how good that looks. Marcus, you did not think I could do this. Charlie, get out of Marcus's grill. Boom! Brady, wait till you see how good the turkey pizza looks. Come on, you hear that crispiness? That is what Brady 5G just loves. Boom again, double boom. All right. Ah! Good stuff. Is it one of my better ones?
Really good.
Up. Come on, you don't have to stuff your face on the camera.
Look.
Of course it's good. What do you think? One of my best?
No.
No? Jesus, I'll make another one. Let's see how this one turns out. This is gonna have extra turkey. All right, I guess that's it. I'm gonna make one more for Brady. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you can enjoy some pizza with your Thanksgiving. And we'll post the recipe on the bottom so you guys can make this pizza. I don't think you'll be able to replicate it. If you have any questions, email me at scott@cheftex.com. Otherwise, have a great Thanksgiving. Watch out for the tryptophan and the turkey. Oh, and Charlie says happy Thanksgiving too. With that, we say happy Thanksgiving, peace. Charlie, shh! Charlie!